You see how this is a negative 9, right? So if I rewrite this in terms of this form, right, I can see that the a value being negative means that it's going to have this sort of motion. So then the maximum possible height that we can get is going to be the y value of the vertex of this parabola. Okay, so we know that the h and k will be 3 and 83. So the vertex being 3 and 83 tells me that, right, the maximum height happens when the time is equal to 3, right, and you get a height of 83 meters. Okay. So for how many seconds does the flare burn before it hits the water? Okay, so then we want to find out, right, when it hits the water, the height becomes 0, right? Because once you shoot it, right, once it lands, this height is going to be 0. So when we have this, we're basically solving for when h is equal to 0. Okay, so we're solving for this equation. If I move the 83 over, okay, we get this. Divide both sides by negative 9. Okay. Then you end up with 83 over 9 because the negatives cancel, and you want to square root both sides so that you can get plus or minus t minus 3. Okay, then when I add 3, right, when I add 3 to both sides, I get this answer. Okay, so this will give me either approximately 6 seconds, or sorry, this is in seconds. So 6 seconds, or when we do 3 minus square root of 83 over 9, you end up getting negative 0.03 seconds, right? But we can't have a negative time, so we have to choose this time. Okay, so when t is approximately 6 seconds, will the flare hit the water?